welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I feel like Walgreens hasn't been the greatest lately, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go back and give it, a second try. Not like a second try, but I'm gonna do a second haul. I haven't done a second haul for you guys in a long time lately because I just don't feel like going. I don't want to leave my house. I've been really working on crafting and just kind of relaxing, so that's one reason why. And a lot of other reasons is I just don't like kind of doing some of the same deals. So I'm here to bring you guys some of the same deals I did last Sunday, but I'm also here to share with you guys some new deals that I got. So I'm hoping you guys, can make it to Walgreens. Now, I had a ton of fillers, or a ton of register rewards that were expiring like today or tomorrow. So I'm like, you know what, I'm going to just buy a bunch of stuff. And, the thing is with register rewards, you have to have filler items. So if you guys have one register reward, you're buying one item, you have one register reward and one coupon, you guys cannot do that. If you guys have two items with one coupon, so if it's like a coupon where it says buy two, then you guys can use a register reward. So I always say, if you're going to buy something expensive, find a clearance item or find a, a candy bar or something to make up for that, register reward. So that's why sometimes those don't work, but I found the perfect item that I was so excited for. I had 8 register rewards to use, so I'm going to definitely share with you guys on that. So the first deal I ended up doing is the Crest toothpaste. I wanted to do this last time, but my store didn't have anything labeled, so I'm like, you know what, I'll try it again. So I got the Crest toothpaste. I really like the scope stuff. So these were $2.99. You guys want to use 2 paper coupons that we got from our inserts from a couple weeks ago. Plus, you guys also want to have the $2 off digital coupon attached to your card. You guys would just pay $2.97 for this. Sorry, my one hair is just driving me nuts. $2.97 for these. But then you guys will end up getting a $3 register reward. Sorry, I got a few register rewards. You guys will end up getting a $3 register reward, making it just absolutely free. So you guys love hearing the word free toothpaste. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, the CoverGirl deal. I'm sick of getting brows. I'm okay with paying a little bit more out of pocket for something that I'll use. I will use the brows, but I have 100 of them, literally. So I wanted to do a couple different deals. Now, as you guys know, I get an employee discount. My husband works for Walgreens, so I get a discount. So usually when I get a discount, I have to factor in on some certain deals. I have to factor in that I have to get either more products or I have to get more of an expensive item for some of those deals to work. So I'm really liking the new CoverGirl eyeshadow. I've been kind of eyeing these up. Now these were $8.99 on sale this week. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to use 2 of those $3 off coupons that we got from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying just $13.98 for this, but then you guys will end up getting a $8 register reward. So these come out to be just $5.98 or $3 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So definitely do that if you guys are interested in something like this. Now they do have ones that are a little bit cheaper, and then they have the 3 ones. The 3 ones are $5.49. So if you guys want to do that, you gotta buy 3 of those, but you have to have 3 of those coupons. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But I decided to get some color of the eyeshadow. I've been really into some of these colors lately, so this is stuff that I got for myself. So I definitely wanted to get those. I ended up doing the Gillette razor deal again. Now these were $6.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got from the August P&G. You guys would just pay $5.99 for this. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward. I think, yeah, a $5 register reward. So you guys will end up just getting this for just 99 cents. So that's a great deal if you guys are interested in those. Now, as I was telling you guys, I had a ton of fillers that I wanted to use. So I always check their clearance, and I knew these were on clearance at one point, but I'm like, I'm going to double check. So I got chapstick, you guys. Now, this is the strawberry flavored chapstick. I love this stuff. This is my all-time favorite stuff. I am a chapstick, like, freak. I have to have it everywhere I go. I have one at my desk. I have one in my by the living room, by the couch. I have one in the kitchen. I have one in all the bathrooms. Downstairs, I have one right here. I have multiple in my purse, but I am obsessed with chapstick. These, you guys, were on clearance for just 12 cents. 12 cents. So I got those because I had 8 register rewards, and you guys don't typically have to use, you just have to use a register reward for every, or use a filler item for every register reward if you guys have an even amount of coupons with products. So I ended up just, you know, getting 6 of these because I absolutely love them. I don't even know if they expire at all. If they do, I don't care. I don't know. I love these. These are, you know, awesome. So I got those for just 12 cents that I used for some filler items for my register rewards. Now I ended up getting the toilet paper deal again. Now I didn't have any more of those dollar off coupons, but these are just $5 this month. You guys want to use those 50-cent off coupons. If you guys have those, you guys also want to use that dollar off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just pay $3.50 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $2.50, which I think is a great deal. I've done this deal 3 times already, and I'm going to continue doing it until Ibotta does not stop resets. And usually it only resets about 5 times. Usually every time you guys do those deals, you guys have about 5 times before the deal ends. It still might be available for other people, but for you, you can only literally let it reset for 5 times. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Rimmel mascara. Now this was, these are on sale for like $4.07. There is that $1 off coupon that you guys want to use in the Walgreens booklet. Plus there is a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use that is on Walgreens.com. You guys would just get this for 7 cents. 7 cents. That is a great deal. So if you guys got that coupon, now you guys can also print that coupon from the Kellogg's family rewards thing. There's that. You guys can print coupons from that. It's not on coupons.com, but it's on the Kellogg's coupons.com site. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Atlantis pens because I think this is a pretty good deal in my situation. So again, these were 2 for $3. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple days ago. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece. So I ended up getting the colored ones for myself, and then I got the black ones for if I have to take them to work or my husband. I'm always like, where's my pens at? Where's my pens? I have so many freaking pens, but I lose them every single time. So had to get some pens. I ended up getting the Rohoto deal, and I was going to do this deal at Target, but my Ibotta did not reset at the time, and I'm like, well, I'm going to Walgreens, I'll do this deal again. So this is $9.99. You guys use that $5 off coupon that we just got in like a paper, I think from 2 weeks ago. You guys would just pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. Definitely do Ibotta if you guys haven't already. I'm already on level 4. Level 4, and it's already the middle of August, so I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I also did the renew. Now I tried doing 2 coupons last time, and she's like, they got to enter them in. So I would just do 1 per transaction. So this is $9.79. Now I always have them scan the booklet at the very end. You guys can do it any other way. What I do is I have them scan the coupons first, because in case like the booklet like denies the coupons are already in the system. So I have them scan the coupons first, and then I have them scan the booklet. If you have them scan the booklet first, then it might like not let you do overage, but you guys can do stuff differently. But you guys would end up paying $4. You guys would end up not even paying anything for this. This ends up becoming a 21-cent moneymaker. They only let you do overage if it involves the booklet. So they don't do overage with regular coupons, but if it involves the booklet, definitely do that. But you guys got to make sure you have items to make sure that it is overage. So giving you guys a heads up on that. Now, as you guys know, we had those Garnier Fructis and the whole blend coupons just recently, and there hasn't been any deals with those, but I hate some of these coupons to go to waste. I really hate that you can only use one coupon per transaction, so I will probably be doing this deal a couple times this week. So the Garnier Fructis and the whole blends, they're $3.99 at my store. Right now they're having that deal where if you guys buy one, you get one 50% off. So you guys want to use those. So $3.99, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. So there's a 4 off of 2 for this one, and there's also a 4 off of 2 for this one. You guys would just get these for $1.98 for every 2 of them. That comes out to be just 99 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I'm pretty excited to get these. Like I said, I don't like those coupons going to waste, so I will be going back and getting a couple more because I really want to use up some of those coupons, especially the whole blends. I don't hardly have any in my stockpile of the whole blends. And one thing I can buy both of these in one transaction, and then, you know, so wanted to share with you guys with that. So that was my haul. I got some pretty good easy deals for you guys, and a lot of repeats. A lot of the repeats are the easy freebies for you guys to do. So my total came to $19.84. All my coupons scanned except one CoverGirl, which they had to add it in. I ended up getting $6 back with Ibotta. That is for the Scott toilet paper and the Rohoto eye stuff. I ended up getting $16 back with Registry Rewards. So I got the $8, the $5, and the $3. So that's $16 I got with Registry Rewards, which is awesome. So I can use these again next week. And I'm probably going to do this deal again when I go back to the store. I'm probably going to do this deal again, especially for the razors. So I can use some Registry Rewards for next week. I ended up getting 9,000 points. I hit beauty, plus there was 4,000 for all the other stuff that I bought. So my total came to $11.16 moneymaker. I was pretty excited. It's been rare since I've had a whole week with nothing but moneymaker after moneymaker. So I was pretty excited. I'm glad I'm getting a lot of Registry Rewards. Maybe I can use that to buy some, bigger items. But I hope you guys are enjoying these kind of videos. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I love sharing you guys Walgreens hauls. And one thing I do want to mention, a lot of you guys are wondering what the prices mean in the parentheses when I do the breakdowns. Now, I get an employee discount, and I have a lot of Walgreens employees that follow my deals or ask me questions. So they just like knowing what they're going to pay and what their prices, so that's why I do that, and it's just easier to see what you guys know what I make. So my total might have been a moneymaker, but it may or may not. It should be a moneymaker for you guys depending on what you guys want to do, but definitely do these deals if you guys can. So yes, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again later. Bye bye.